Do you really believe that your life and that your business is secure? Because Victoria's Secret just declared bankruptcy. Zara just closed 1,200 stores. Nike is preparing for a $23 billion layoffs. Domino's closed 553 stores and announced a $833 million loss. There's actually over 20 large corporations that are going down, becoming bankrupt, closing all the stores, and are losing almost everything. The reason I'm bringing this up is not to make you feel depressed or sad or upset over this. It's for you to realize and think about, are your foundations of your life and of your business secure? Do you have leads running through your business every single day? Are you getting sales every single day? Are you experimenting and growing and doing things that are going to get you more results and make you have a more secure future? Because if you are not right now, imagine if these huge corporations are going under. What's going to happen in your business? What's going to happen to your finances, your leads, your sales if you don't get on it right now and make sure you are getting sales and leads and customers every single day so you can produce profit, have time and location freedom, and so you can feel secure so that when times get possibly even more rough than it is right now, maybe they'll get better, maybe they'll get worse, but no matter what, that you will still be secure. I just know that from my own experience, from the people I've mentored, from the people I've been mentored by, from all of my travels, everywhere I've been, everyone I've spoken to, and everything I've learned and researched and gone through, I've learned this one very important thing. If you're not moving forward, you're going back. If you're staying still, you're going back. You're not making progress. And in this economy, in this time, you need to make sure you have leads running to your business, you have customers coming in through the door, and that your life is growing, that you are making changes to improve yourself. Otherwise, you will go bankrupt. You will lose your family. You will lose your spouse. You will lose everything you have if you don't take charge right now.